Now let's get to our daily dish. Why suffer the symptoms of aging? And thanks to the innovative therapies and treatments that are available to us, our Limitless Male Medical Providers completely personalize these options to meet your individual needs and goals. And joining us in the studio in this segment sponsored by Limitless Male is Jess Goldoni, Director of Marketing at Limitless Male Medical Clinic. Hey, how are you?
Hey, hi Tristan, Mariah. Very nice to be here.
Yeah, welcome to the show. What can you tell us about Limitless Male Medical Clinic and what the primary focus is, Jess?
Well, I would start by saying that we're all aging.
Yes.
So we are all getting older. It's something that is shared with the entire population.
Yeah.
And Limitless Male is exactly as it sounds. So we are trying to help make that process easier for men, especially with low testosterone and hypogonadism. We also do weight loss and sexual performance enhancement as well.
Yeah,
so.
you kind of cover the gamut a little bit. Yeah. And you know, it's not strictly limited to, you know, what people think it is. Like you mentioned, it's a little bit of everything, weight loss and everything else, right?
So I think there's something that we have to overcome with men is that they don't talk about their aging symptoms, they don't talk about their health.
Of course.
In fact, it's been proven that women make 80% of the medical decisions for a household. So we've decided to be almost a one-stop shop for men. So not only do we do low testosterone treatment and replacement for men as young as 30 and 40, but we also do weight loss, medical weight loss, and we have patients that are losing anywhere from 50 to 150 pounds.
Wow.
And what makes Limitless different from other male clinics? Can you cite any success stories?
I would say that the biggest difference is our hands-on customized approach.
Okay.
So you come in and you actually get to meet with a certified medical provider who tailors a custom treatment plan for you.
Okay.
And yes, so I would say success stories, I've seen everything from men being able to play with their kids when they get off work and not take a nap, and also, like I said, losing 150 to 200 pounds, life-changing. They were shocked and heart attacks, 5 of them, and able to lose weight and gain their health back.
You know, what are some of the symptoms men should be looking out for as we get older? Speaking from experience, I'm getting older myself. You know, what are some of the things they should be looking out for and seeking help for, I guess?
I think the biggest thing is that a lot of the symptoms present as depression or just a hard life. So tired, brain fog, just not having that clarity and that energy, and just not feeling like yourself. I think that would be the biggest thing. If just something feels off and you know it, don't just forget about it. Don't just push through it. Don't man up. Actually get something that'll help fix that for you.
Yeah, that's important. Just to kind of go for it.
Honestly. I think that's important in these days and times. People just want to push it off and like, oh, I can do it. But actually seeking help is very good. So it's good that Limitless is kind of bringing that availability to men. So what kind of improvements have you also seen?
So I would say, back to, what we're doing is there's a stigma around men's health. Of course. They don't really seek help because it feels like something that they're failing at potentially, when actually it's a disease just like anything else, just like diabetes or a heart condition. It's something that you can take care of, and there's actually a fix for it. That's the thing.
Right.
And I would say, again, success stories is we've helped thousands of patients across 5 states with 13 locations and growing. We're expanding nationally, which is exciting.
Yeah.
So ask any one of our thousands of patients.
Yeah.
I just interviewed 3 of them the other week. So
it's important to seek help, man, and don't be afraid of it. Like that is important, and I love that you were here to kind of spread that message, man. I appreciate it, Jess.
Well, I mean, not only do we want to come out in the community, but we want to make it approachable and easy and comfortable. Because again, this is not something that men necessarily want to go after, and so come in. It's free. You can sit down with any one of our certified providers and calm and easy.
Well, thanks, Jess, so much for stopping by. We look forward to chatting with you more soon.
Great.
Again, this segment was sponsored by Limitless Male. You can learn more when you visit limitlessmale.com.